Hello, and this is a gun review with me, Connor Povey, Regan Beasley, and Ethan Hughes. Today we'll be showing a pack with this sniper, which he adores, and this pistol, which is really good. We'll show you the range. Really good. The speed of the bullets goes really fast. They hurt.
Slow reload, to be honest. Because you have to go like
That's your reload. I'll give the rate 9 out of 10 because it's got good range, but it's slow to reload. Over to Regan Beasley.
Right. The long shot. Very good gun. I love it because it's a sniper. It comes with a scope. It comes with this. You can like store another ammo thing, clip in, and it's bolt action. And it comes with a stand. Accuracy is 10 out of 10 since it's a goddamn sniper.
This comes with it.
Yeah. Like another gun with it.
Oh, and by the way, that's what's inside the scope.
Yeah. So it's like to reload, you have to pull out back, put a clip in, like that. Bang.
Holy crap.
Right, range 10 out of 10, I already said that. I give the gun itself 9 out of 10. And
Slow reload, sort of.
No, not slow reload.
Well, sort of.
I'd say 8 out of 10 reload. Bit slow and fast at the same time. I'll see you later. Ciao.
Bye.